Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the queen of the nation's finest. After the showcase of endurance, prowess and skills render you this final salute.
Kasi kasi lang kita bakit eh.